Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a luxuriously soft, beautiful, and comfortable sweater, you need to check out this one from Minnie Rose. I love this sweater so much. It's made with 100% pure cashmere, which you cannot go wrong with. It's so soft, not itchy or scratchy. It just feels amazing on your skin. But beyond that, it's so comfortable. This style has one sleeve off the shoulder, and I love that it makes me feel really feminine and sassy, but without being too revealing. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I got the size small. It's meant to be a little bit baggy and oversized because that's the look, and I think the small fits me perfectly. I also got the color baby blue. I love it. It goes with so many different outfits. I wear it with jeans or a skirt with a pair of cute chunky boots or knee highs, and I really just love the look so much. If you don't want to bear too much, you can wear a tank top underneath it, and I think that actually didn't take away from the look of the sweater at all, and I just really liked it either with the tank top or not. I really like that the grain of the knit fabric on the front and the back actually goes side to side instead of up and down because it gives it a really nice draped look. The ribbing on the sleeves and the bottom of the sweater is really nice. It gives a good contrast to the rest of the fabric, and it helps to give you more of a structured look as well. I get so many compliments on this sweater. It's beautiful. It is high quality cashmere, and it's gonna last me for so long. I just love it, and that's my point of view.